Hi students. So let us welcome to a new video which is simple interest fifth method. So in the previous videos we have already seen all the four methods of how to calculating the simple interest. In this video let us see the fifth method. Let us see the statement of the problem. In how many years will a sum of rupees 2500 add up to rupees 4000 at 12% rate of interest? So we already know the simple interest formula, which is SI is equal to PTR divided by 100. So in the statement, they have already given principal amount, which is P, that is equal to 2500 rupees. And they have given the total amount, that is F, that is we call it as future amount, and that is equal to 4000 rupees. And the rate of interest, that is R, is equal to 12%, they have already mentioned. So in this statement, they are asking the time, how many years this amount of 2500 will become 4000 at 12% interest. So that is how the statement says. So by using the simple interest formula and given data, let us find out the time frame. So before going to find this time, first let us find out the simple interest. So simple interest is equal to future amount or total amount minus principal amount. So future amount they have already given 4000 rupees minus principal amount is 2500 rupees. So the simple interest will be 1500 rupees. So 4000 minus 2500 will be 1500 rupees. So we know the simple interest formula. So then let us substitute this in the formula, above formula, which is simple interest, to find out the time. So we know the simple interest, we know the principal amount, we know the rate of interest. So let us find out this time. Okay. So for this simple interest, to find this time, P I will send this side, meaning this left side, so that this will become in the denominator. So the formula will be SI divided by P into R, also I'll send this side, so it will become R. So T is equal to SI divided by P into R, and this 100 I'll send this left side so that it will multiply here. So that I have written here. T is equal to SI into 100 divided by P into R. Let us substitute all these values. So T is equal to SI is 1500, that we know here. I have substituted here, and 100 as it is. P value, that is principal amount 2500, and rate of interest is 12. Let us simplify this one. Let us cancel these two zeros and with these two zeros. And we know 5 fives are 25, 5 threes are 15. Okay. And then 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So further I'll write down here. So this 100 will become here in the numerator as it is, divided by this 5 into 4, which is 20. Okay. So I can straight away write it as 20 only. I'll cancel this. I'll write it as 20. So first this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So the time will be 5 years. So the meaning is, in 5 years, 2500 rupees, this 2500 rupees in 5 years at the rate of 12% interest, it will become 4000 rupees. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any new videos from our channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you will get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video.